Hi, my name is Peter Walker from Coffee One, www.coffeeone.com.au. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to operate and program your wega Polaris EVD2 group. On your touchpads you have identical touchpads. You have on the very left button you have a single cup for an espresso, large coffee, 2 espressos, 2 large coffees, a on-off button so you can basically use a free pour, which also acts as your programming button. Then you move to the middle, you have a pre-pour button as well, so once you engage that, it will continue to pour on the left group until you stop it. The middle button is your hot water button. This right button is a free pour button for your right group. When you engage it, it runs permanently until you stop it. I'll give you a quick demonstration of what that is. So you engage, when you've had sufficient, you'll stop it. On your right hand touchpad is the same as your left. You have 1 espresso, 1 large coffee, 2 espresso, 2 large coffee, and also another free pour button, stop and go. And you can use that also to stop anywhere you want. So it gives you control over your touchpads. Your steam wand, you can gauge down, gauge up permanently, or to the side, which is perfect. Okay. You have a visual display in the centre, which has several features. If you've got the Chrono on, it'll count the seconds for every pour. We've got it set just here for the clock. So when you pour your group, you can see we've got the Chrono on. So it will tell you which group's been telling the seconds it's being poured on the group. To program your machine, it's very, very simple. If you want to program the groups, your espresso shots, you literally press and hold the program button on the group you wish to program. If you program the right hand group first, it will automatically double over and program the left hand for you. All the lights are now flashing, so of course you would fill your portafilter with, if you're doing an espresso shot, with a single handle. If you're doing the double shot, with a double handle. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration on the single. You put your single portafilter on there, fill it full of coffee. You would then engage the button. Once you've got sufficient coffee that you're happy with the size mill, you stop it. It's no longer flashing, it means it's now programmed. Once you've done all the buttons, you just go program off. It now goes out of the programming mode. To program all your settings inside your visual display, you literally go to the right hand group and hold down the first espresso button. You're now into the visual display and it will allow you to do certain parameters. The first one that comes up is the clock. If you wish to just move to the next parameter, you literally push the 1 espresso button and it moves to the next parameter. So here you could program it to come automatically on, then automatically off. You're moving to the working days of the week, so that's obviously the first day would be 1, 2, 3. So if you had wanted to make Sunday as the first day, then you would make Sunday the first day, Monday the second, third and fourth and so on. The next parameter is your Chrono, which we have enabled, which counts as demonstrated when you're doing your shot, is counting the seconds of the pour. The next one is your softener. If you're running a water softener for your machine, you can program that when you wish, how many litres of water you wish to change your softener. The next one is the litres counter, which is the same thing. You can set either for time or for literage. The next one is the boiler pressure. You can go in here and set your bar pressure for your boiler. You can set your language. You can set the cup heater, if you've got a cup heater feature on this one. If you've got an auto steamer, which this one hasn't, you can set up the auto steamer. Set up the doser alarms, so that would be if you've set the doser for a certain level, say it would, for say a 28 second pour, it will alarm you. You can go to your counter, shows you how many coffees so you reset that counter to 0 and then you can zero it off every time you've seen how many coffees you've dispensed. And once you're finished, you've gone back to the start. And that's as simple as this. So hopefully that demonstration has helped show you how to operate and program your wega Polaris EVD2 group. Thank you. My name is Peter Walker from Coffee One, www.coffeeone.com.au.